Welcome back, everyone. It has been windy today and yesterday throughout most of Montana, but even stronger wind is expected tomorrow, and tomorrow is probably going to be the strongest wind event that we have had so far this year in Montana, and possibly the strongest wind event that we have had in several years. A high wind warning is in effect for essentially the entire state of Montana for most of the day tomorrow and tomorrow night in some locations. Sustained winds are going to be between 30 and 55 miles per hour throughout much of the state, with widespread gusts between 60 and 85 miles per hour. The strongest wind gusts will be along the Rocky Mountain front, and that's where we could see gusts between 90 and 100 miles per hour, possibly even up to 110 miles per hour along the immediate eastern slopes of the Rocky Mountain front. And this wind will likely cause some wind damage. Difficult to impossible travel conditions are expected for high-profile vehicles and vehicles pulling trailers during the day tomorrow. If you do drive a high-profile vehicle or if you are pulling a trailer, it is strongly recommended that you do not travel during the day tomorrow and wait until Thursday when the wind will be a lot weaker. Power outages are also possible, and those power outages could potentially last for several hours, and that's because it is going to be hard for the power crews to fix the downed power line since the wind is going to be so strong for a lot of the day tomorrow. Downed trees are also possible, especially in the western half of Montana, where we have had a lot of moisture over the past couple of weeks. Flying debris are possible, and damage to infrastructure, including siding and roofs, is also possible. If you do have any outdoor holiday decorations, it is strongly recommended that you bring them indoors, as it is possible that they could blow away with the strong wind. Same with trampolines. We could see some flying trampolines during the day tomorrow as well. The wind has been diminishing over the past several hours. Now, as we head into the second half tonight, that's when that wind is going to begin to pick back up, and we are going to have increasing wind from west to east as we go through tomorrow morning. In western portions of north central Montana, so west of the line from Havre to Lewistown, the worst of the wind tomorrow is going to be during the morning and the afternoon, as well as the early evening. In eastern portions of north central Montana, so east of the line from Havre to Lewistown, the worst of the wind will be tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and early tomorrow night. Again, widespread gusts between 60 and 85 miles per hour, and wind damage is possible in some locations. That wind will gradually diminish from west to east as we head into tomorrow evening and tomorrow night, and then much calmer wind is expected as we head into Thursday, although it will continue to be breezy in some areas, especially in western portions of north central Montana. On the Great Falls Clinic Icon, we have had partly to mostly sunny skies throughout the day today. So outside of the wind, we actually had really nice weather for your Tuesday. Some rain and snow along the Continental Divide today. Elsewhere, it has been mostly dry throughout the day. But as we head into tomorrow, of course, we are going to be dealing with those high winds. We're also going to have scattered rain, graupel, and snow showers around as a cold front does work its way through our area. And then another cold front will work its way from Canada into our area as we head into the second half of tomorrow. For the first half of tonight, there will continue to be some rain and snow along the Continental Divide, and a few rain and snow showers are possible on the eastern half of the High Line. A lot of us will be dry with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow morning, there are going to be scattered rain, graupel, and snow showers throughout north central Montana as that cold front does work its way through our area, and a few snow squalls will be possible as well. We'll start off with a lot of cloud cover, but then we'll actually clear out and see some sunshine as we head into the middle part of tomorrow. And then as that next cold front works its way through our area, that's when some more snow will be possible in locations east of I-15 within north central Montana. That will impact our area from late tomorrow afternoon through early tomorrow night. Then we'll dry out with clearing skies during the second half of tomorrow night. A winter storm warning is in effect for the Rocky Mountain front and the glacier area from 8 p.m. tonight until 11 p.m. tomorrow. 4 to 12 inches of snow is possible at and above mountain pass level, and whiteout conditions are possible due to the strong winds that we are going to be dealing with. And winter weather advisory is in effect for the Little Belts and the High Woods, as up to 6 inches of snow is possible through tomorrow night. In the lower elevations, a coating to maybe 2 or 3 inches is possible in locations east of I-15, but really for a lot of the lower elevations, not much snow is expected. But the mountains, especially along the divide, will pile up the snow as we go through the next 24 hours. Tonight, lows are going to be in the 30s and low 40s. Tomorrow, high temperatures will be in the 40s and low 50s, but these highs will be during the morning with falling temperatures throughout the day.